asuntoskeittiö Oivanhaka, Kettumäentie 6 in Kuusankoski, Kouvola. Staircase B.
Film again, no problem. Kettumäentie 6, staircase B. In Kuusankoski, Kouvola, Finland. Eastern Finland. Amazing elevator. Similar with RCS pictures. From the 1980s. Today it's the 28th of August 2019. Excuse me.
Taloyhtiön pyörävaraston valvontakameran varastettu.
Wow, really?
The security camera stolen.
That's so weird. Okay, built in 1985 vs 6921 is going to turn 35 years old and next year 2020 is going to be inspected. But P, this is P, yes, sorry. I thought this was the first floor, but no. Yeah, 4 persons or 325 grams and 6 floors. It's in a very good shape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though it has cracked is maintaining.
Yeah, true. Takes a while to start.
Yeah. Probably full memory.
Maybe, yeah, if it has, we can go for another
Yeah.
try. Yeah, I heard it. Probably it is.
Yeah.
What is this?
But that's
Overall plate.
Oh yeah.
yeah, overload. I mean, not weight, overload. Sorry.
Spekti.
Ylikuorma.
Kiva inspektant. Mentiin
That's
se on näin diskreetti.
that would be a balance.
Oh yeah, full memory.
Oh yes, then also. Yeah, I need to take pictures of this one.
Yeah, same.
Same here.
I was trying to get inside with I think 2 or 4 with these R series in Roma, but it was I didn't manage to do. But it's still there, so maybe I'll do it next year.
Yeah.
It's also locked up residential building, so but it's very rare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that's successful. Okay, now we can take the pictures.
That's
That's it.